Once again guys, dito tayo sa, ito yung kabuuan ng ano, kaya ito ko lang pakita sa inyo. At enjoy dito, no? Meron mga hidden na lugar dito, tingnan nyo. At nag-enjoy yung ano ko. Para sa mga bata ito kasi medyo mababaw. Yung mga hindi marunong lumangoy na you cannot swim, you can stay here. This pool. Actually, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 pools dito. Free. Pag na ano, magbababa, you will pay an entrance. Then you can select whether you want to be put your things or stay. Place like this one. So it is very rare na yung mga people are coming because maybe others don't know this place. So look at this place. So beautiful. The people are enjoying it, and there are some how do you call this? So, yes. You can bring your kids here. Oh, yeah. Look at this. Okay. So, all these amenities you will enjoy while you are here inside. So, bring your own baon. Later I will tell you what the name of this place is. I'll take a video here. But this is for kids, for 2 years old. It's very we call it shallow water pool. Ayan. You can read that with heart. That is the logo. So once again, thank you very much. Maybe more vacant seats because others, this is not a well-known place, but it's safe and you feel comfortable. It's a wide and do you have 6 balls to include over there. So once again, thank you very much and God bless us. Enjoy your weekend. Today is Sunday. Okay.